In this video lecture, we are going to look at print formatting. This is all about formatting the output of its print in Python. Let's go ahead and look at that example, and maybe I will say that we have name. Let me say name is equal to hello, and age is wow, and age is equal to 50, and then you have like a grid. Grid is equal to 71.9. So now let's go ahead and look at formatting. Normally, I'll go ahead and say print, and I will say this is your student's data. That means student's name is. Okay, so I've taught you about this. Anytime you want to use, you go ahead and put this student's name is, and you guys start there and say name, your call name. Student's name is, and his age is. You go out there and call the age, put a comma, and his grade is. You go out there and call grade. Okay, put a comma out here. So normally, if you run this code, this is what you get. Let's drag this up. Student's name is hello, and his age is 50, and his grade is 71.9. So this is what you get normally. I'll show you how to format these in Python. Go ahead and remove name here, and let's say student's name is percentage. Student's name is percentage S, and his age is percentage S, and his grade is percentage S. Go ahead and remove this and put this at the end. So we'll give a space. I'll remove this and come over here and remove this string, and also remove this one. So student's name is, and his, okay, and his grade, I shouldn't remove that. His grade is percentage this. So why is this error? Okay, you should remove this. Alright, so this is what I have. Student's name is percentage S, and his age is percentage S, and his grade is percentage S. So how can I be able to format this so that I can be able to get the results out here? If you print this out, let's check what we have. So percentage S is everywhere. Now, what's inside this data? We represent with percentage S. Now, go ahead and say percentage and put name, comma, age, comma, and grade. So check out this and let's see that. student's name is Hello, and his age is 50, and his grade is 71.9. So what I actually did is that I collected the data, age, name, and grade using a string format. For this string, if I go and change this S for the name to string to D, it means that this is an integer, and if I run this, I will get an error. Let's check it out. You see that? This is D is for integer. Put back S, and if I put D here for the age, and I run this code, let's check it out. You see, I still get 50 because D is an integer. And if I put D here around this code, I will get 71. Check it out. I got 71 instead of 71.9 because D is an integer. If you want to get 71.9, go back here and put this to be F around this code. You see that? This is 71.9000. And what you get the student here is 71.9 and not 71.900. Go inside here and put this to be 2 precisions or 1 precision. So go ahead and put dot 2. If I put dot 2, I'll get 71.90. Check it out. 71.90. And if I put 1 there, I'll go ahead and run this. I'll get exactly 79.1. So I can go ahead and put this to be 2. And if I change this 50 to F, I'm going to get that in decimal. Check it out. 50.00. And if I do exactly the 17.2, I'm going to run this code. And this is 50.00. But this is what I get. So D is for integer, S is for string, and F is for float. Let me go ahead and put it down for you, so go ahead and check it out. S is for string, and D is for integer, and percentage F is for float. So you can always use this all the time in your program, and it is very interesting if you know that. That is why I am teaching that, so that you can be able to start making use of it in your own program. So you've learned about print formatting in Python programming, and henceforth I believe that is going to save you lots and lots of energy in typing all these, so that you can be able to, make corrections anytime you have mistakes anywhere, and that will be more easier for you to control. So this is all about print formatting. Go ahead and put it down on your own system and check it out. And if you have any question under this video lecture, please use the question and answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.